Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Cardano ADA. Is there any hope for it? Can we go even higher? We are going to see that, but before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits. We are doing a professional work right there. And of course, you will get an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. A manual system with over 90% win ratio. Very low risk when you enter, so you know exactly that you hold a very minimized risk, and therefore it is easier for you to get profits, personal guidance, everyday educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see ADA. And this is a top trend line that I have not drawn by myself. This is not a biased top trend line. The yellow line, what I mean by that, it is the pitchforks by trend line. Okay, the pitchforks are actually median after I draw the pitchfork from this bottom to this top and back to this bottom as well. You can see the median is this orange line right here that goes through. So what we have is this line being as our major resistance level for the time being. And of course, we are going to see if we can manage to get past above the 1 Tether USD around there, 1.01, that it has become now our major resistance level for the short term. Let's draw a Fibonacci retracement, and we are going to the technical analysis first and after to the price analysis. What we want to have right now is that this RSI, and especially this long bullish RSI divergence, will play out starting from back on 10 December. Okay, we want this bullish RSI divergence to be playing out for Cardano. Once we get that, then we can manage to go into the next price target, into the 0.98, and we will see other targets as well. We want the higher low pattern in the RSI long, higher lows you can see to get even there for Cardano and to keep going higher. You can see that Cardano had many bullish RSI divergence, but now the price does not correspond so good actually to these price bullish RSI divergences. So ADA against USDT on the stochastic RSI, you can see that we have the stochastic RSI in an oversold again, but at the same time, this doesn't mean that we are going for sure higher, but we are going to have probably a small significant swing high, and of course the Fisher transform into an oversold situation right now. The good part is on the weekly frame, if we go right there, that we have a higher low in the commodity channel index. So you can see that higher low in the commodity channel index, usually when it is met by a lower low in the price, we get to have a pump up. And this is where I'm adding my chances into seeing ADA going higher than the 1 Tether USD for now, even higher than maybe 1.10 and so on. Let's go to ADA against Bitcoin chart. ADA against Bitcoin. If this was a morning sun pattern right here, this would be a doji candlestick. However, it is not, but we could possibly be forming a nice bullish candlestick on today, and therefore to go even higher, testing the RSI above the 70. Let's see about that. Higher low in the Fisher transform as well could be the case, maybe of an outbreak of maybe Cardano against Bitcoin chart going higher on the short term. Okay, and surpassing the 20-day MA and the 50-day exponential moving average. If I want to see some important resistance level, the first one should be this resistance right here. Okay, so this whole area right here should be the first resistance level, and afterwards the 0.382, okay, the 0.402875, and there we could potentially go even higher. However, let's surpass this very huge resistance level first between the 0.4025 and 26, and then we can manage maybe to go even higher. Going there is very likely. And of course, on the very short term, we are going to see that probably we are going to correct just a little bit because we formed a bullish, RSI divergence on the 1 hour frame. So if we correct, do not worry about that. Let's go back to ADA against USDT on the daily frame to see some possible price targets. As you can see, the 1 Tether USD 1.01 is now a major resistance level. We have as well the 1.04, the 1.09, and of course the 1.167 around there Tether USD. If we get past above the 1.17, then we have high chances into seeing some pretty nice numbers. Also, this whole area right there is a very strong resistance level area for ADA if we get past above there as well. For ADA, we have a lower low in the price. And of course, we didn't have, unfortunately, a bullish RSI divergence with this lower low, but we had a long-weighted bullish RSI divergence as we talked about before. Is this possible to get towards the 1.03? It is possible. However, for me, the chances that we see ADA going above the 1.26 are a little bit decreasing for now. I think though that if Bitcoin decides to get bullish even higher than the 45.8k, then ADA has many chances into going to the 1.37 and so on. We could possibly be going into the next target, this one right here, or maybe to the 1.44 Tether USD. But I believe that ADA on the monthly frame is on a run to the downside. I do believe that on the monthly frame, especially if we cannot close above the 1.03, we are having a problem of seeing ADA going further down, okay? Because we had extensive, you can see here, monthly bearish RSI divergences for ADA back from 1st February till the 1st August 2021, and of course the 1st October around there. But first of all, the 1st August 2021, from there you see ADA dropping down and down. It couldn't make it. We had bearish RSI divergences on the monthly frame, and now it is the consolidation time that we might be getting even further down in the next few months, okay? But pay attention to the daily frame. We have a sign of hope right there. Maybe we see some higher price targets, and we are of course seeing also ADA against Bitcoin chart and how Bitcoin will perform. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. We are doing a professional work, non-biased as well, so we can secure you your profits. And see you soon with many more videos. Bye.